Hey, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On my left, we have the Holystone HS110D. And on my right, the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone. It's a battle of the skies, folks. Let's see which one of these little flying machines deserves to be in your shopping cart. First up, the Holystone HS110D. It'll set you back just $99. That's less than what I spend on coffee in a week. Meanwhile, the Bwine F7 is a bit more of a high roller at $258. You could almost buy a whole other Holystone for that price. So if you're on a budget, Holystone is your new best friend. The Holystone comes with a 1080p camera and a 120 degrees field of view. Great for capturing your neighbor's awkward backyard dance moves. But the Bwine F7, oh boy, this baby packs a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. It's like comparing an old flip phone camera to a DSLR. You'll be able to see every leaf on every tree in your footage. Fancy, right? Reviewers have noted that while the Holystone's camera is decent for beginners, the Bwine F7's camera quality is top-notch and comparable to more expensive drones. Holystone gives you about 20 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. Enough to annoy your cat, but not much more. On the other hand, the Bwine F7 offers a whopping 60 minutes of airtime with its two batteries. That's 3 times the fun, or 3 times the chance to crash into your neighbor's tree. Choose your adventure. Reviewers have noted that the Bwine F7's extended flight time is a significant advantage, making it perfect for longer sessions. The Holystone offers some cool tricks, like altitude hold, headless mode, and 3D flips. Perfect for beginners, or if you just want to impress your friends without reading a manual. But the Bwine F7 takes it to the next level with GPS, waypoints, orbit mode, and follow me features. It's like having a mini drone butler that does your aerial bidding. Plus, it won't get lost, unlike my car keys. Reviewers love the advanced features of the Bwine F7, stating that they add a lot of value, especially for more serious drone enthusiasts. Holystone is super beginner-friendly. With altitude hold and headless mode, even your grandma could fly this thing. The Bwine F7 is also great for beginners, and it even comes with tutorial videos. Plus, it's drop-resistant, so if you're a klutz like me, you're covered. But let's be real, if you're investing $258, you better be serious about your drone game. Reviewers have praised both drones for their ease of use, but also note that the Holystone is particularly good for those just starting out. Overall, the Holystone HS110D is praised for its affordability and ease of use, making it a great entry-level drone. However, some reviewers have mentioned issues with battery life. On the other hand, the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone is lauded for its advanced features and superior camera quality, though it comes at a higher price point. Reviewers also appreciate the excellent customer service provided by both companies. So there you have it, folks. If you're ballin' on a budget and just want to dip your toes into the drone world, the Holystone HS110D is your go-to. But if you're ready to take your drone game to the next level and have some extra cash to burn, the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone is where it's at. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on which drone you're rooting for, or if there's another showdown you want to see. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart.